This is Joe from Real Success, and today we're going to be talking about the importance of BRRRR investing as a real estate investment strategy. So I get this a lot. What is BRRRR? And that stands for buy, remodel, rent, refinance, and repeat. Let me say that again. You buy, you remodel, you rent, you refinance, so you get your money out, and then you repeat it. And when done carefully, it's an excellent way to build a rental portfolio without running out of cash early in the investment career. Why? Because you're doing the process and then you're getting your money out. Essentially, you look for fixer-upper properties that you can buy below their full value. You use short-term cash or refinancing to buy the property, and then you alter its fix and you stabilize, and then you refinance with a long-term mortgage. If done well, you can pull most or all of the original capital for your next property. While I like this strategy, I think it's best when used early on to build your portfolio. Eventually, it's smart to transition to lower leverage and lower risk approaches instead of constantly leveraging as much money as possible. An example of an ideal strategy is the rental debt snowball. Thanks for watching our short video section. I hope this brought value to your investment career, and I hope to hear about your real success story very soon.